How to log in Bank of America online? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in into Bank of America online. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device that might be Chrome, Safari or Firefox or anyone. Then on the search bar click on it. Type in the URL bankofamerica.com. Once you type in it, you need to press enter on your keyboard. Wait until it gets loaded. So reload the page and this page appears on your screen. Once you're on this kind of interface of Bank of America, simply at the left side you will see the login section. Simply what you need to do is enter your user ID and the password. If you wish to save your user ID, you can check mark the box next to it so that you don't need to enter your user ID twice once you come back and log in again. After you do that, click on the login button. If you forget your ID or password, click on forget ID or password link and here you can easily recover from there. If you don't have an account on Bank of America, simply click open an account link and open an account on it. Once you fill in the information, click the login button and you will successfully log in into Bank of America online. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.